Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope that you are happy and eager to learn, right? I am sure you must be practicing writing letters covered so far. Today we are going to learn to write small letters K and L. K and L. Letter K is a consonant and its sound is K. Let's recall and revise words beginning with K. K, kite. K, king. K, kitchen. K, kettle. K, kids. K, keyboard. And K, karate. There are some animals whose names beginning with letter K. Which are they? Kitten, kangaroo, koala bear. Which is your favorite among these? My favorite is kangaroo because they go hopping and they carry their babies in their pouch which looks cute. Kittu and sad koala. Kilo is sad koala. Kittu, the kitten, comes to play with him every day. But Kilo always refuses, saying he wants to sleep. One day, Kittu meets Dr. Kangaroo. Kilo does not play with me. He is always sad, says Kittu. Dr. Kangaroo gives him a golden key and says, keep it on Kilo's head and he will not be sad. Kittu comes and keeps the key on Kilo's head. Kilo wakes up and smiles at Kittu. They play every day now. Let's recall. What was the name of koala? Kilo. Right. What was the name of kitten? Kittu. Very good. Now let's learn how to write small letter K. This is first red line. This is first blue line. This is second blue line and this is second red line. We will start from first red line. Draw standing line till second blue line. Draw standing line. Then between two blue lines we will draw two slanting lines like this to write letter K. Now leave two finger space and write letter K. Now once again leave two finger space and write letter K. Draw standing line and two slanting lines. Once again keep two finger space and write letter K. Children, like this, practice writing letter K by keeping two finger space every time. This is activity for you. Look at this picture and you can tell me words beginning with letter K. Beginning with letter K. Children, one more surprise for you. Would you like to see that? Let's begin. Children, guess who am I? Yes, I am a lion and my name is Lamba. L for lion and L for Lamba. L for lion and L for Lamba. It starts from letter L. Now think of some more words which also begin with letter L. Yes, lady. L for laugh. L for ladder. L for lips. L for lemon. L for lamp. And L for Lazy. Children, would you like to listen to a story of lazy lion? Yes? Okay, let's begin. Letter L. Two lambs and the lion. Lippu, the lamb, lives in the forest. He loves to dance with his little sister Lola. One hot day, they go to drink water from a lake. They see a lazy lion sitting there. How do we reach the lake? The lion will eat us. Lippu then finds a large bucket with orange color in it. They jump into it and become orange. The lion looks at them and thinks, what are these silly animals doing? Lippu and Lola drank water from lake and ran back home. Let's recall now. Lamb, lake, lion, large. Now let's learn how to write small letter L. We will start from first red line, draw standing line till second blue line. It makes letter L. Isn't it very easy? Now leave two finger space and write letter L. Again leave two finger space and write letter L. Draw standing line. Again leave two finger space and write letter L. Children, like this, use writing letter L by keeping two finger space every time.